Greetings. Welcome to an overview on YouAttest. YouAttest is a cloud-based IGA solution for Okta, and I'm Garrett Grajak, CEO of YouAttest. The philosophy of YouAttest is that IGA is too expensive and shouldn't be, and it's too difficult to deploy and shouldn't be. IGA, and auditing is broken. And once we solve that, real-time compliance is better for everyone. What is IGA? Your customers, the Okta customers, know what IGA is. It is what they need to do to show compliance and show governance of the identities roles after Okta is deployed. Whether they're in the healthcare, whether they're in the public sector, whether they're in the government sector, whether they're cloud providers, whether there's retailers, they know the individual compliance they have, and they care. They care because they have to pass the audits with the identity product in place. So the people you are talking to, the people you are selling to in Okta are customers of IGA. But IGA is broken. Today, either they go with one of the on-premise, very expensive licenses, start at $500,000, go up to $2 million or more, and deployment costs usually exceed the cost of the actual licenses, or they're doing this manual, which has been shown to reproduce amazing amounts of errors. That's why this space needs to be fixed. But why is it so expensive? Here is why. Traditionally, what IGA has done is duplicate the efforts of identity management. That is, each vendor is building their own connectors. And as we saw with the SolarWinds, more connectors is not necessarily good. That actually hurts your security posture. But just as relevantly, it's very expensive. It's expensive and time-consuming to deploy the extra connectors. This can be solved, and this has been solved by YouAttest. YouAttest plugs into the Okta infrastructure and allows the YouAttest to pull the identity governance information into YouAttest. We don't need the credentials. We don't need the secure data. We just need the roles and profiles. We create meta tags of this information and then create the workflow and the GUIs for people to attest to that information. That's true identity governance done the cloud way and done cleanly. The beauty of this solution is it's fractions of the cost in license, fractions of the cost in deployment, and fraction of the FTEs needed to deploy and utilize. Scales to millions and is available both in the US and the UK for pennies on a dollar, $2 per month for a single license of a single user, and goes down in scale. Write us and we'll talk to you and we'll solve your identity governance Okta problems. All the best. Garrett Grajak. Thank you.